people suffered at that point of time due to the overcrowding. Now, due to the sudden surge in passengers, some individuals resulted in fainting, causing panic among the travelers. At least 40 ambulances were called and the injured were rushed to the Lok Nayak hospital. We are given to understand that the Lok Nayak hospital at the Lady Hardinge hospital are where the victims are being given the treatment. In fact, Delhi LG also visited one of these hospitals to take a stock of the situation and check on the treatment that has been given to the victims who were possibly in fact getting suffocated due to the overcrowding. Mehendi Garg, my colleague who's live from the Lok Nayak hospital, is joining me on the broadcast. Mehendi, from the night itself, it was a difficult indeed night for even the people and the passengers and the families of these victims who are receiving the treatment. If at all you were able to speak to these victims' families and get us a sense of how exactly they saw the entire series of events unfolding.
Simran, it is a very unfortunate morning, and right now we are at the LNJP hospital right now, and you can see the visuals behind me as well that heavy security has been deployed in front of the hospital. And 18 people have lost their lives in the stampede that happened at the New Delhi railway station late at night. Right now the high security deployment is present here because the deceased have also been taken to this particular hospital, and as per the sources that we are getting right now, Simran, as well, that 40 ambulances were called on the spot later in the night as well, and heavy deployment has been deployed at the hospital also. And talking about the deceased, then yes, the toll has increased up to the numbers of 18 people have lost their lives right now in this particular stampede that has happened, and it is very unfortunate, Simran, as well. And talking about the numbers, then yes, as per the sources that we are getting to know, Simran, as of now, that some deceased families are present at this particular Lok Nayak hospital, but some deceased bodies have been taken to the RML hospital, and also some have been taken to the Lady Hardinge hospital, and the families are still inside the hospital. And right now, as per the security deployment is very heavy in front of the hospital, and the hospital area is completely sealed by the you can say police officials, so no one is allowed inside the hospital as of now. But yes, it is a very unfortunate incident that has happened, and the death toll has been increased to 18, but around 10 to 12 people are still very injured, and they are being taken care of inside the hospital premises as well. But nobody is talking as of now. We'll try to have an understanding that what happened and how the stampede happened late at night, because we are getting to know that the train at station number 13 and 14 had to be boarded by the passengers who were going to Prayagraj to take a holy dip in Mahakumbh and to visit the Mahakumbh. But yes, this unfortunate incident has happened, and all the senior leaders have showed their condolences as well. And talking about LNJP hospital, then some of the leaders have also came here late at the night to meet the deceased families and to also meet the injured people. Talking about Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, he also visited LNJP hospital later in the night, and he has met the injured people, and he also showed his condolences. And not only him, Simran, all the senior leaders, whether it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and all the senior leaders, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, everyone has taken to their X platform and taken cognizance of this unprecedented incident that has happened late in the night, and showed condolences over the people who have lost their lives. And also compensation have also been announced for the people for the families rather who have lost their lives in this stampede, and the injured people as well. So the compensation of rupees 10 lakh is issued for the families of the deceased, but those who are under observations right now, because the number of injured people is around 10 to 12 people. So yes, the compensation have also been issued for them as well. So yes, a very unprecedented and very unfortunate incident has happened late at night in the national capital. And right now we are at the LNJP hospital, and as per the doctors and as per the officials as well, then yes, Delhi police has been deployed right now outside the hospital premises, and still the people are under observations of the doctors. Doctors are not talking as of now, and no official statement has been come as of now, but it can come later in the day because the people are inside the hospital premises and still they are under observation. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right, Mehendi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast and get us more information as far as the treatment